Sometimes you're riding with a crew and want to coordinate. Other times you need to make a phone call. And lots of riders love jamming to a playlist. Either way, you'll need Vibe. This all-new communication system is designed and produced by BRP. It integrates with Advix helmets like this one to become a seamless extension of your vehicle.
Today we're going to be walking you through the main features behind this new tech accessory, as well as how to connect it to your helmet. Let me tell you, it's a real game changer if you want to simplify your comms, and we can't wait to show you. So let's go.
Like all BRP accessories, the BRP Vibe communication system is designed to be as simple and easy to operate as possible. With just one click, you can power it on, then use Bluetooth to connect to your phone or sled. And once you're connected, the sound that comes through it, I'm telling you, it's next level. Vibe is equipped with a premium mic and speakers by Harman Kardon, plus a dual antenna for clear reception that extends up to 1.6 kilometers or 1 mile.
We've also partnered with Sena to integrate their Mesh 2.0 technology. Using an algorithm, this routing system finds the optimal pathways for sound to travel, which in turn improves audio clarity. When connected to their phone, the BRP Go mobile app allows users to see their battery status, manage language, and check their firmware version. It also allows users to switch between 9 different channels, so you can switch between sidebarring with a friend or joining the group chat whenever.
Battery life can be tricky in the cold, but the Vibe system delivers. Even at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, or for our fellow Canadians, minus 18 Celsius, it has 8 hours of talk time. And if it's installed in our new Advix Radiant helmet, you'll never run out of power since it's powered by the E-Link connection that heats the interior. When it's time to charge up, Vibe is fast charging compatible, so you can get the full battery and back on the trail 30% faster.
When it comes to user friendliness, this system couldn't be any simpler. Its interface is glove friendly and it's compatible with a voice activated assistant. So you're only ever a Hey Google or a Hey Siri away from the info that you need. It's also compatible with a 10.25 inch touchscreen display with BRP Connect, and you can use the built-in control to adjust the volume. That's all we have for you today. Please don't forget to let us know what you'd like to see featured in future product series videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.